Last year, Adidja Palmer, also known as Vibes Cartel, made his way to State Farm Arena in Atlanta, right?
A few moments later.
However you want to say his name, at the fucking end. Mind you, this is after he came 2 hours late. And I'm sorry, but he's not a good performer. Yeah, he's old and all that, but it was not a good performance. I'm sorry.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
The Alkaline concert? Yo, he's performing. Like, that shit looks fun. Oh my God. There were no moments of silence like there was at the Vibes Cartel concert. Let me tell you, because the crowd, we were confused. Yeah.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
I don't know one Media Fox money up in people. The whole world see the fight. What Alkaline I get. And remember, go buy him album, stream him album. Cause who want shame them again? You understand? So remember, buy the album, people. You see me? Support the music. Support dancehall. You see me? Yeah, man, respect all for the support and thing. But what happened in Barclays, it opened a new era. Like, people start to see, like, yo, I never see so much hate via show so yet. Like, the people who overseas see it on the media and everything, and yo, them have to fall on the media and crash out, cause them grieve, especially the people them will go to show. It grieve them for hear people that talk about things. You understand? But look what I want, people.
Stop going to things because it's hyped up and you want to be down and you have fear of missing out. If you're not a true fan of the artist, don't go to the concert. Just don't go to the concert. Because, like, I'm not understanding anybody. I'm not saying you have to have fun because the majority of us have fun. But when you start making little complaints like, oh, I wish there should have been more people. He never said Alkaline and Friends. He never said Alkaline and all your favorite artists. It's Alkaline. Anybody who was there in the building that night should have knew. You got to be satisfied with that man. You have to understand Alkaline does not fuck with people, and that's okay. I love that.
And you know, say at that one of the biggest problem in a dancehall. That's why the youth say, yo, if him did that sit up and chat up, then he would have be them favorite. Treat him not mingle with people and all of them look a thing they stay by himself. That's why man found out and say Alkaline narrate people just because the youth just stay in him own lane. I saw them stay. When them can't get for use you, them bring you down. When them can't control you, them bring you down. You understand? And this Barclays show everything. Like, me never see one show going internationally where represent dancehall get so much hate. On a big scale. And if you see youth solo Barclays, look young youth, him young. You understand? Because we don't see much young youth that do them big move, yeah. You see it? So it's a whole bring down thing going with the show. And the people them out there in the world that see what I go on. All who never did there and see what I go on, they must see the media. You understand? Yeah, man. But Alkaline always ashamed them.
That he's real and down to earth. And he's not going to pretend to fake punk with somebody just to please y'all. If y'all fuck with him, y'all understand. You're not going to see nobody. I actually was surprised to see Cranium. Honestly. Armani usually sometimes open for him. Armani was not available. Oh, well. Y'all act like we were sitting there in silence. The DJ was...
And the Armani thing, you know. I hear people as, like, I think Mummy must say Jeffrey, this Armani thing, you know. Armani depend UK new rules, even if they are Jamaican new rules. Like, brother, every new rules you know want the one artist depend? I that more I know. You know, I realize people, I kind of realize, say, yo, it's like, them know Alkaline stay. The man just do him thing, do him own thing, dominate. The man dominate him own a show. The man do about maybe like about 2 hours, people. Take a break. And a boy, if you do that and dominate your own show, the youth do it. Me I tell you people, the youth do it. You see me? And this is an international Barclays Center. Everybody are looking. You have to big up the artists. Cause this is a new thing. Is a new generation. It's coming like a man who open a different portal. I tell you that.
It's good in the blood clot. Out of time. But my thing is, don't discredit that man. Let him have his moment. The youngest and baddest to ever do it. Let him have his moment. Y'all getting up here talking about, not on my internet. Not on my motherfucking internet. Am I gonna see y'all try to trash talk? Cause anybody who know that concert was fucking fire. No, a lot of people can't do what that man did. A lot of people can't do what that man did. So I want people to understand, stop going to things for the hype. If you're not a real fan of the artist, just stay home. It's okay. But y'all just be going so y'all can have something to say. Y'all could have did something else, like went bowling or something. You know what I'm saying? But not too much. Not too much. And I'm a person who's a fan of everybody. I'm a fan of everybody that's good. And I'm a person who loves music. He did his thing. And for the people who was like, they wanted more energy out of him, this is just his personality. And even with his personality, it gave. For me. I can't speak for nobody else. But let this man have his moment. That's all I'm saying. He deserved it.
Alkaline concert, and I thought it was a 10 out of 10. I keep seeing negative comments and y'all about to piss me off, for real. Concert me good, the music me good, like, what a problem? What an issue?
Yo, people, this has some clip. The amount of people forward out. May I tell you people, I know not normal, the hate is real. Everybody have something to say about the youth show. The amount of show we keep in the United States. I mean, never see so much people talk down on the youth show, so everybody more goalposts have everything. You see when you see so much hate towards one person, just know say person are do good. Them want to see him fail. Them wouldn't mind them hear the youth show the cancel. Them wouldn't mind or see in the empty and nobody not turn out. At that them did want. So that's why when the youth sold out Barclays now, everybody have to find some excuses. All of them look at thing there. You understand? Remember, you know, this a youth just do him own thing, you know. Remember, say him not in the media, him not diss up nobody. But the hate is real for him. Imagine.
Right? I keep seeing comments about like he should have had openers and oh, he should have had like, you know, other artists, blah, 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 blah. If you know Alkaline, you know he don't fuck with people. The man not like people. No, he not like people. And I felt that. I feel that to my core, right? So like, bosses me see the man past stages with Armani and Western. I was surprised to even fucking see Cranium. I already knew. I went there with the mentality. All right, they did not announce no fucking openers, no surprise guests, nothing. I was not expecting nobody for real. Y'all are complaining about how the show was trash. Were we at the same concert? Like,
most of the people them will say the show are trash. Them don't go the show. And them no rate Alkaline. You understand? What grieve them is that the whole arena has sing out him sang them. And the energy where you feedback from the crowd, them no like see that. Them think they mash up the haters them head. You understand? So that's why them attack so. Cause if them did really rate the artist, them would have did the show and them would have enjoyed the hit song them. Most of them no go. And some people when I rate the artist. You understand?
I feel like if y'all don't be knowing the songs or y'all really fuck with the artists, y'all shouldn't be at the concerts, respectfully. Because I had a ball. I go to concerts that I can sing song after song after song. Y'all throw me off. Like, y'all need to let people do their own thing sometimes, for real. I'm a big Cartel fan, I don't know that. I will not pick and choose between the two artists because I, as a music lover, I feel like the two artists them are amazing performers and artists. The two of them lyrical. Me help them write the lyrics. Them if you know, you get a sense.
You see them people here. You see the outside world and music them love. Them go there for listen music. You see in a dancehall spot, no, and a music them really pre. You understand? A man, them not really pre music. She live in a different place. Yeah, she say she listen to two artists them lyrical, everything. You understand? So she see what go on at the media and everything, a bag of talking, and she could as well go Vice Cartel show. But Vice Cartel show, you know, see a bag of people that say nothing. You understand? But when Alkaline, everybody have something to say. Yeah, man, everybody have something to say.
If I was to complain about something, it would be about the drumline performance. Bitch, I was thinking that Cannon was about to come out. Cause what is this? That's the only thing that threw me off guard. I feel like it was out of place. Like, I really don't know where that came from. I was like lost for that very second. Understandable, because the man had to take a break. I feel like the crowd went dead right after the drums came out. I feel like maybe we could have had something different, something more hype. But I feel like performance-wise, the man had...
Alright, you see drum thing now, people. The drum thing it's just to me where me see it is like a timely thing because if you understand, this is new rules. This is just Alkaline. Cranium forward and do him thing. You understand? And this are the thing now. The drum thing, you see, because drum thing is like based on that, like our culture, dancehall and them something there, and not something where usually happen. You understand? Cause you know people them forward for listen to the song and everything. So look here now. So when the people them see them, I say, yo, I want to go on and rare. But in everything, people, nothing not perfect. Sometimes some things are gonna happen and you say, Jano, this are going, but at the end of the day, it still not really take much from the show. The people them sing out the song, them everything. The drum thing it was a surprise. Like when me see it, me I say, yo, Jano. You know, say people them, cause the people them at ease. Cause remember, you know, Alkaline them for see, you know, so the drum thing, but you don't know the artist. Maybe I take some time for change. And cause when Cranium, I think Cranium forward out, yeah. And then Alkaline walk away. Go take a little break and, you know, yeah, and change. Come remember, you know, people. Regularly, you know, some artists them would have maybe call and some artists are them and artists are perform together. You see me? So him alone I sing. So I remember saying I think about 2 hours or more. 2 hours plus him perform for. So him perform like about maybe an hour and then take a break. Kind of boy if you perform for 1 hour, you know. And just deal up there, you know. So you see me? So him do that and then take a break. You don't know Cranium forward and because them have a song together, do them thing and then go away, go change everything. And then the drum line, I guess it for just buy time. And because let me tell you, to be honest, yeah, people now go really the drum thing, yeah, it kind of unexpected for the people them. But it's like I guess the drum thing is like representing Brooklyn. You see me? It's you don't know in a Barclays, so maybe you know the community or something and them say, alright, get the drums, make the drums go and play and you know, make some song. But it maybe not go really and everybody go really with it and so. But the show, it go on, it vibes, everything. You see me?
Bangers after bangers right behind. Maybe one song where I never know the full lyrics to. Are you don't know me no lyrics? We don't know me no lyrics. I went to
Why you think I'm coming off negative? Because you say everybody else listen to Alkaline now. Like I said, like nobody never listened to him before. And like no, everybody, that's how it come off. That's exactly how it come off. Like that's just how the world works. Like just when Cartel show just come out and Cartel just come from jail and Cartel upkeep what is something them, the big show them, guess what? Everybody start run back to Cartel them because guess what? They gotta show them want to sing the song them word for word from beginning to end from scratch. And we listen to them before the show, while the show, after the show, until they go through it phase. That's why I go, the album just come out and the same thing will happen. In concert them are going at the same thing. Every scroll on For You page you go see a snippet of him. You know why? The concert them are going and he's smart. He's smart because in dropping album during the time of him doing his show them. So guess what? Everybody go tune in. Everybody, man, no girl was sitting and listen to nobody album. Maybe Squash. Me tell and listen to Squash album them from beginning to end. However, like it's a domino effect. It's like in the ear. It's like when COVID they go on in the ear, everybody just catch it. It's one of them things. And everybody.
Yeah, man. Is it the artist know? Yeah, man. There's a good marketing. Remember, you know, imagine the whole hate and the thing towards the show, and one just drop the album after that the Monday. Cause Sunday, the whole everybody at talk about Alkaline show, Alkaline, way. Then Monday now, the man drop the show, drop the album. So everybody are gonna listen to Alkaline drop album. It's a good marketing strategy that you understand. It's a good guy in the ear, in the thing. The man just do a big show solo Barclays Center and drop the album. It's a good move.
Take things like so to their art and personal up their ass, like, and everybody take things like that. Show boy that lie you a tell. Come over here to come tell them serious like the dance ship. Not tell them serious like the darling. If you say the show never nice, I must carry the weird at the background and part upon.
Yeah, man, them are just haters. You see me? Them are just haters. You see me? It's good as all a fan when I rate Alkaline. You see it? That's one of them thing there. You see me?
A part of this, sir.
But I'm glad to say you did an experience and I thought the truth still.
And you have to watch him on the screen same way even in a building. Anybody say the show never nice, and again, me not come here for debate about no artist and go down Emmanuel Road about no artist. If anybody come say Alkaline show never nice, me say, the only reason why I'm not saying that unless somebody stand up in the way when I can't see, or listen to the we run away, you run one part, and one part. Or you never go. Show everybody we got the show no say show tough. Everybody, all if anybody know, fan of him. See, and Knox, King Knox is not no vendetta. But King Knox come and show and King Knox can tell us that this show tough. The man run off the show from the beginning to the end. From the beginning to the end, remember say man opening show and closing show. Where I say, one artist alone, the man come with crane him definitely with 10 minutes. When I say, brother, the show tough. Anybody say the show never enjoy. Let me tell you, for me personally, that experience made me want to experience other concerts. I mean, I'll be real with it, like, in person, that shit was different. Like, I just want different energy, brother, like.
People, you see, he had the pain and the fight turning into somebody we love, you know. People, you hear what she just said a while ago? The girl say Alkaline concert make she want go concert me. I tell you people. You understand? She want go other concert. Me, a lot of people may hear say, yo, that show ya. But people, me I go play a video next, you know. Me not even go review a video. Me just go want to know hear what I want. Me know when me drop a video. You see it?
Like, you know, some people, like, some young girls we go, because, like, a man, and we go for the vibes, start sitting. Even the drum line. No people say the drum line was okay, whatever. Even the drum.
Yeah, man, people. But me I go play one video, people, for no hear what I want, you know. You see me? I want to know hear this. Wait there. You see me? I want to know hear that video, yeah.
And I'll tell
You see me? I want to know hear this video, people, because look at now. I'm not going to say nothing, you know, she attack. You see me? Yeah, I'm not even review it, but I just want to know listen what I go on.
And I'll tell you why. Because last year, a DJ Palmer, also known as Vibes Cartel, made his way to State Farm Arena in Atlanta, right? So who was there? Me. Medea. I was there, right? I was having a time of my life. It was great. Why this man brought out Scrappy Doo-Doo? Who the fuck listens to Scrappy Doo-Doo? And then on top of that, Akon. He fucking, bro, this is reggae. Like, this is a dancehall thing, right? This is dancehall. Why would you bring out Scrappy Doo and fucking Akon? And then you know when he bought out Masika? He bought out Masika, or Masika, however you want to say his name, at the fucking end. Mind you, this is after he came 2 hours late. And I'm sorry, but he's not a good performer. Yeah, he's old and all that, but it was not a good performance. I'm sorry. The Alkaline concert? Yo, he's performing. Like, that shit looks fun. Oh my God. There were no moments of silence like there was at the Vibes Cartel concert. Let me tell you, because the crowd, we were confused. Your bad mind, Vibes Cartel. Your bad mind, you know. That's bad mind. Because I came to a dancehall concert and you want to give me I'm Locked Up. And some fucking guy from Love and Hip Hop that no one knows the song. Like, literally everyone in the crowd was looking around like, yo, what the fuck is going on? Like, am I being punked, bitch? Am I being punked? And the worst part is, I see my boy Alkaline get the key to the city. He got the key for Brooklyn. Yeah? And he bought out Cranium. And he was actually performing. Yo, that concert looked like they were having a time, bro. I left that concert early because I literally sat there like, yo, you're playing in my fucking face, bro. What a bomba clot this. Like, what do you mean? Oh, no. This is why Alkaline is one of my faves. For me, it's Dexter Daps, it's Alkaline, it's Cranium, Popcorn, Valiant, Malvado, some little TJ, some of the new artists that are good too, like, you know, Armani, Molly Don, and Masika. That's it. Like, I do not fuck with Vibes Cartel the way I used to fuck with Vibes Cartel. And after he did that concert, bro, he will never get my money again. That was bad mind. I don't care. That was bad fucking mind. And if you were there, let me know what you thought. Because, yo, I was vexed. I don't care.
People have no comment on the comment section. You see me? People, big up on yourself, you know. I don't know one media facts pan it up. Yeah, man, big up. But you don't know if you hear what people are say. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, man, roll out. Remember, get the album, people. You know what things said. That is it. Roll out. Wait, you still watch a video? Alright, yo, people, big up on yourself and I don't know. That is it.